Out of my way, I'm climbing like Mario's Super Donkey Star. Why did you always make it exaggerated?
We all punched each other and then the gun just went to no one.
You can't shoot me.
So Johnny is no one.
We're invincible.
Originally it went to no one.
We're literally like invincible. Hey, look.
Oh my god!
Say, hey, look, a face mask.
Phase 9.
Okay.
What?
Kind of suck at this whole thing, don't you?
You so dumb.
I hate it.
Oh, he's testing.
That was supposed to be an angry face. I didn't mean to put the L there.
No,
like
wait, hang on. George. Wait, that's a rocket.
What?
Ah! I've tricked you again, Batman!
Where'd it go?
What are you guys doing?
I'm merging.
This is so wholesome. Can we get 5 likes in the chat?
Damn gun got in my way.
What do you mean? You didn't.
I didn't want to get the gun. I was trying to go for the pistol thing, and then
Hey guys,
I couldn't make my.
it's me, the rocket wolf. What?
Oh.
Interesting maneuver there, John.
Hello.
Why has the gravity disappeared?
I'm dead.
Oh no, he's using. Haha.
You think it is?
Hey, LG bros, look at me, bro. Look at me, look at
Watch
you.
this, bro.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm a warrior, baby. What
I
else
aim.
do you do? And
You
next,
just say I'm a warrior, baby.
Next, I'm gonna destroy you.
Babe, well, how hard is it to not die on this?
Hey.
I can't do this level.
Ow.
It's hard. Henry, you just walked over the spikes.
I'm
Oh, no.
impervious to them. Hidden, however, is not.
So is this a no-kill level?
No.
Is this a no-kill level? I think this is
No,
a
it's not.
no-kill level.
Shoot off to the side of the screen. Not my
No,
side.
never do, don't do that.
Okay.
Oh my,
Like,
oh my John!
level, it's
What?
ultimate.
What? That hit the rock. Excuse me. Continue. It's heroin. It's heroin.
Wait.
I'm actually unkillable, so bullets don't matter.
Why can't I grab the gun?
You kind of suck.
How can you grab the gun? It was too heavy for me.
Bad at like
No,
living.
my brain said deflect the wrecking ball, but the annoying part is I didn't even go to deflect it. I just thought about deflecting it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I better defend my honor.
Hey, don't.
Oh.
Please.
Hey, look at me, look at you, take my revenge.
Knocked you down, knocked you down like Sisyphus.
What else is there? Our next a well-ranked
Oh.
Creeper trying to steal my stuff again.
Oh, no.
It's heroin.
Oh my god.
It's heroin.
Go away.
His eyes are like diamonds and his teeth is like heroin.
Who I am.
Sorry, no, I'm really sorry. No, I'm really sorry. No, yeah, I'm really sorry.
You'll never see me.
I know. Ow!
You had a defense of guns.
Okay, well you didn't have to kill me. I watched you execute me from my door.
Ah.
Why were you just staring at your computer from your
Because I was talking to my dog, with Dad.
me
That
when the imposters just... Okay.
That spike was lower than I thought.
Oh,
Born, you're gonna knock them over, watch out.
I want to phase knife again.
Do you like my
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'll try to knock them over.
Ooh yeah! Ooh yeah! Ooh! Ooh! You duplicated it.
What?
Wait, oh,
Rocket jump, Hayden. Rocket jump.
Interesting.
You got
No.
rocket jump, Hayden. You did it.
Wait, who's alive? Oh, who's alive?
Alive. Stop it. Ooh.
If Hayden wins after exploding himself.
I stabbed him with the knife.
I can avoid this one. Oh. You thought.
No.
Yeah? Sorry? Right, one sec. Guys, I have to go help my dad with my dinner choice. Give me like
You
like 2
have to
minutes.
go help
He's
your
fine.
dad with your dinner choice.
Yeah, he doesn't know what I want. Oh, this'll keep me safe.
Wait, what?
Ooh, I have a gun now.
Alright, I'll be back.
What?
He's slowly pushing himself out of it. He's being brought to the surface. Vaughn's gonna end up killing me,
I put so many bullets.
Me when I put so many bullets. We stole. Oh great, what am I meant to do with this idiot?
There he is.
Hey!
Hang on, hold on. Wait, hang on, there we go.
I thought he killed you then.
Well, he should have fucking died. Bastard didn't though.
Unkillable.
Liar.
I was referring to me. I was referring to Sir Henry never mind. No, Henry Dollamore. He is unkillable. Look at him go.
Oh the god.
Nope, I was referring.
Whoa! The current
Okay,
arrangement of
fine.
Whoa! Whoa!
Fine.
They were just like two plate boundaries.
Yeah. Oh, great geography joke there, Henry.
Thanks.
Oh, I'm on this
We've been
little
doing
wall.
earthquakes recently. I mean,
We can all be safe on this little wall.
No, you were right the first time.
We can all be safe. I'm thinking about starting a religion about the little
Why
wall.
are the boxes still sentient? Sorry.
Oh,
I'm thinking
Shungas.
about starting a religion about this little wall. Hey guys!
Fuck you, Hayden. You.